Hi, this is Dr. Pavitra. Today we are going to discuss about fiber in our channel Health Support 360. Did you know that we cannot digest the fiber and cannot make energy out of it, but still it is considered healthful? Now let's try to understand how that is even possible. Fiber is a complex carbohydrate and has long chain polysaccharide molecules in it. Based on the physical and chemical properties, we classify fiber into soluble fibers and insoluble fiber. The soluble fibers, when mixed with water, becomes viscous, jelly-like. It gets fermented by the bacteria living in our intestines and makes special fatty acids called as butyrate, the butyric acid. It is similar to that butyric acid present in the cow's ghee. So this helps in rejuvenating the mucous membranes of the intestines, hence reduces the risk of cancer. Fiber also regulates the blood sugar and blood cholesterol levels and hence lowers the potential risk of type 2 diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular conditions, and even obesity. The next one is the insoluble fiber. Technically, it is insoluble in water. They pass through our gastrointestinal system unabsorbed and they're not even fermented by the bacteria living inside us. But they add volume to the feces. They initiate our bowel movement, reduces constipation, and helps in eliminating the toxins from the body. Fiber plays an incredible role in weight management. There are signals, centers in the hypothalamus of the brain called as the feeding and the satiety centers. When you take some time and chew and consume the dietary fiber rich foods, signals are sent to our satiety center of the hypothalamus, hence leaving us satiated and feeling full. So the USDA's dietary guidelines for Americans emphasizes on eating fiber-rich complex carbohydrates. They recommend 25 grams of fiber per day for women and 38 grams of fiber per day for men. Now we'll see the sources of fiber. We all know that fruits and vegetables are rich sources of dietary fiber. Select according to the place where you live, what grows here right now. So you can enjoy the seasonal foods and locally available fruits and vegetables. The group of families like onions, leeks, asparagus, and artichoke are rich in fiber. The fiber, specific fiber called as inulin, is sold as supplements, prebiotic supplements today. People living in India can eat guava every single day, amla when it's in season. They can add aloe vera and even plantain pith and plantain flower, also called as varatanda and varapu. All these things are very rich in fiber, and specific fruits like the bale fruit is called as the vilambalam. When it's in season, don't forget to eat it. All leafy greens are rich in fiber. You can try to incorporate them in your diet. And the next thing is seeds like pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds. You can grind them in a coffee grinder and top it on your cereal or any meal. You can include the dried fruits and nuts also. And then last but not least, all the grains and the legumes also has fiber in it. When it's taken in a semi-polished and hand-pound varieties, the layer of a bran is still intact with the grain. So all these things adds to the dietary fiber. So the specific starches like in potatoes and raw potatoes, also called as the plantain, raw banana, So all these things also has starches in it. It is technically resistant to digestion and hence named as resistant starch. These resistant starch feeds the good bacteria in our bodies. Word of caution here is people with the intestinal disorders like ulcerative colitis and irritable bowel syndrome cannot tolerate high fiber diet. You should always keep that in your mind. Now I'll be showing you how to make a raw veggie salad that is rich in dietary fiber, Kosambari style. Today in this video, we'll see how to make this moong dal Kosambari. This is split moong dal. For this recipe, I washed it, then soaked it for 3 hours, then drained it. Now it's ready for our Kosambari. So this is soaked split moong dal. Then here I have cucumbers finely chopped, some beetroots shredded, then I've shredded the carrots also. You can use the food processor to shred this. Then I have a cup of shredded coconut, half a lemon, some coriander leaves. Then for seasoning, I have mustard seeds, 1/3 of a teaspoon will do. Then 2 finely chopped green chilies, some curry leaves, and for I have taken rock salt and also pink salt. The quantity you can adjust it according your requirement and as per your taste. Now let's see how to make the Kosambari. So let's see how to make Kosambari. So I am taking the moong dal, split moong dal, soaked and drained one first, and layering it like this, spreading it to the bottom of the pan. Then I am going to add in the cucumbers here. So now I am adding in the carrots, shredded one. So you can adjust or depending upon your choice and preference, you can vary the vegetables you are using according to your taste preference. I am adding in the beetroots now, shredded ones. You can just use one vegetable at a time also if you prefer that way. I just wanted to give you an idea like what different vegetables will suit this recipe and how to use it. Now I am adding in the shredded coconut. So many of them have the belief that salad should be eaten without fat or without oil. That's the common belief among people. So I've already talked about this. There are 2 kinds of vitamins, that is water soluble vitamin B and C, and other one is the fat soluble vitamin. So the fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K, vitamin A, D, E and K. So those vitamins will be, our body will be able to absorb those vitamins only when there is a fat medium or fat content in our diet. That is, when we have fat with the salad, only then we will be able to absorb all these things. For example, the beta carotenes or the carotenoids in the carrots is the precursor of vitamin A. So if we want to absorb all those things, we need fat medium for this. So these vitamins A, D, E, K are very crucial antioxidants. These antioxidants are that can boost our immune system. So these antioxidants are anti-inflammatory and also boost our immune system and helps in preventing many diseases and even anti-aging. Now I am adding in the the coriander leaves. I've already cleaned and chopped it. Then I'll go ahead and add these lemon juice, half of a lemon into it,
So I've already did the tempering with mustard seeds, curry leaves and finely chopped green chilies. You can skip green chilies if the kids are going to eat it. I'm adding in here. So you might again think we don't have to add oil to a healthy salad. But you know what? This coating of the oil to the salad prevents the oxidation of the water soluble vitamins in it, and also prevents the mold growth if you're not eating the salad immediately after preparation. So you would have noticed that I didn't add the salt yet. So once you add the salt to the salad, the water releases from the vegetables. So once the salad is done, just before serving, you can add salt. The salad should be consumed immediately once it's prepared, so that you will get all the nutritional benefits from it. See how beautiful it looks. So throughout these hot summer days, all these raw vegetables can be incorporated in your diet. So this can be enjoyed during lunchtime. So this is the basic recipe. Now if you are new to this raw food and if you have not tasted or these kind of foods and you want to create some interest, then you can add in different nuts to it. Here I have this fried peanuts. You can add in cashew nut or walnuts, pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds. You can just play around according to your choice and preference. Now I will show you how to serve this. So add in salt now and top it with some peanuts. And your bowl of salad is ready to enjoy it on the side of your lunch.
Stay tuned to Health Support 360 for more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe us. If you would like to book an online appointment with me, visit our website www.healthsupport360.com. Thank you. Have a good, wonderful day.